We all know that rejuvenation of the photoaged skin, wrinkles, treatment of scars have historically been posed problems to dermatological and aesthetic clinics. Why MNRF? Because RF is purely an electrothermal reaction than lasers, which is a photothermal reaction. To overcome these traditional monopolar and bipolar RF, there is a concept of microneedling RF. Radio frequency uses electric current and laser uses light. The problem associated with all these lasers are they require anesthesia. They are painful without anesthesia. While selecting the patients, what are the indications for which you can treat where you can use microneedle RF? You can use it in treatment of scars, any types of scar like acne scars, surgical scar, traumatic scars, keloidal and hypertrophic scar. Apart from these two indications, if you select the parameters carefully and select the patients carefully, it's a painful procedure, so you have to use a topical anesthesia. There is a little bit of oozing. That means you have achieved a good depth of injury. Post-treatment complication, you have to cool the skin because skin is very hot. There are various brands of MNRF available. We know that Q-switched Nd:YAG laser is extensively being used for treatment of pigmentary conditions. Apart from that, there will be a swelling and edema which is typically last for a day or maximum for 2 days, but there won't be any downtime. The patient can go back to work immediately after an hour of the treatment. Hi, I am Dr. Swapnil Shah, a dermatologist practicing at Sholapur, Maharashtra. I have a special interest in vitiligo surgery, laser surgery, other aesthetic procedures. And after learning to my lectures, if you have any queries associated with any of the technologies, there is a query box. You can type the queries and I'll be more than happy to answer the queries as per my ability. At the outset, I would like to thank iDoc Academy for arranging this wonderful and innovative approach for physician trainings, which is immensely helpful for the beginners, the intermediate users, or for the advanced user equally, because the faculty has been selected throughout the India. They are expert in their fields. It's a beautiful and great opportunity to learn about procedural dermatology as a whole from this web-based platform. It's an interactive platform. Although it's a web-based platform, there is an option of asking your queries and getting it cleared by the experts. So I request all of the members to get enrolled immediately for these wonderful ventures from iDoc. Thank you.